Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to be going to the kitchen and we are going to review some of the things that I got off of Amazon over the last month for the kitchen because I'm changing my kitchen to pink. So let's go off to the kitchen and let's see how these things work. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to show you is we're going to do a couple of reviews on Amazon products. So I got these for my birthday. They are silicone oven mitts, and inside it's just like a regular oven mitt, but these are really awesome. You can put them on, they're quite thick, and when you put them on and you grab you can grab the rack in the oven when it's hot, and then you can also grab your hot pan and they grip onto it so you won't, you know, slip and lose whatever you're grabbing. So these are really awesome. I love them. Like I said, if you get them dirty, all you have to do is take a damp cloth, wipe it off, and then just use a paper towel and dry them. So they're really, really good. So what I'm going to show you is that the oven is on at 400 Fahrenheit, and I'm just gonna grab the rack, which, you know, it doesn't burn, it doesn't go through, and then you can grab your pan just like this, and you can hold it for quite a while, like I'm not even sure how long, but you can just transfer it up to the top and you don't feel anything through your gloves. So I definitely would recommend these oven mitts. Okay guys, so I got this utensil kit right here. It is in my pink. Now, I have used all of the utensils at one point and they are absolutely perfect. So what I say about these are they do not stick to anything. They're very easy to use, clean, wipe up, and they resist the heat. So I definitely would recommend these to anyone that, you know, wants a strong one. It's got wooden handles. They're really strong. They're not moving. You know, they can take the wear and tear. So I absolutely love those. I also got on Amazon the salt and pepper shakers. And the only thing, I love the color, I love that it shows you how much is in there. The only thing that I run into problems with the salt and pepper shakers are when you turn it and you put out your salt, because the tops are exactly the same with the amount of holes. You use this one for the salt, you pour out the salt and the salt will get caught between the lid and the other lid, so you've got to really just grind it together to get it to go back around. But other than that, I absolutely love them. I've got a pink spoon holder which came in the kit. Now the other thing I got on Amazon was this pink kettle. So it is rose gold and I absolutely love it. And when you boil it, it's not loud. I've had a couple kettles and they're really loud when they're boiling. So I really love this kettle. There's, like, you know, you got a couple year warranty on it if something happens. The only thing that I'm disappointed with this kettle is that it doesn't show you how much water is in the kettle. So you have to constantly remind yourself to double check before you just push your button, because it does sit on a base. So you just set it on the base and you push your button. It's really, really easy. And then to refill, you just click up here. There's a little button. You click it up, close it. It's perfect. And it's really easy and it's light. So even with the water, it's light to use. Now, I did have, these were white. My canister set right here. They were white. Let me turn that kettle off. There we go. And I painted them pink and put some sparkles on them. So all I did was I took dollar store paint, and this one is in candy cotton pink. So I painted them and I did about 2 coats, And then once they were dry, I put on this sparkle glue from Dollarama. They come in a package. I've hauled them on my Dollarama hauls. So I just squeezed that out and used a paintbrush and applied them all the way around the canister set. And then I used my Mod Podge and I just sealed it with my Mod Podge. So, and then I let them dry for a few hours, and yeah, they turned out really, really great. And then with the little windows, to make sure that I didn't get any paint on that, I just used some of my leftover washi tape, so I just used that. So I absolutely think they turned out really awesome, and I love them. And the kettle's really pretty. So far I've not been disappointed with anything that I got, and I'm still slowly changing my kitchen over to pink. So those are my reviews so far on everything that I got from Amazon for my pink in the kitchen. So thanks for watching, everyone. Okay guys, so first off, everything in this video was my own opinion, what I thought of the product. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye everyone.